Are you finding it difficult to save money while on a tight budget? You're not alone. In this video, we have some practical tips and tricks to help you save below 30. Whether you're a student, young adult, or simply trying to be more budget conscious, we've got you covered. Let's start with the basics of budgeting. We'll show you how to create a budget by understanding your income and expenses. And tracking your spending is key. We'll share some useful apps and spreadsheets that can help you stay on top of your financials. Plus, we'll talk about setting short-term and long-term financial goals to keep you motivated and focused. Now let's move on to saving hacks. Did you know that cutting unnecessary expenses can make a big difference? We'll suggest ways to trim your budget by canceling subscription services and reducing dining out. But that doesn't mean you can't enjoy yourself. We'll also provide ideas for free or low-cost activities like visiting parks, libraries, and attending community events. And guess what? You can even negotiate your bills, such as utilities, internet, and mobile plans to save more money. Looking for additional income? We've got side hustle opportunities for you too. Online freelancing is a great option, whether you have skills in writing, graphic design, or virtual assistance. Part-time jobs in retail, food service, or tutoring can also help you earn extra money. And don't forget about selling items through online marketplaces or garage sales. This video will be visually appealing with B-roll footage of cityscapes, nature scenes, and people enjoying activities. Animations will help illustrate financial concepts with graphs, charts, and infographics. You'll also see text overlays that highlight key points, quotes, and call to actions. And to keep your interest, the video will have upbeat and energetic music. Our editing techniques will ensure seamless transitions between scenes, a consistent color palette for a professional look, clear audio mixing with background, music and sound effects, and engaging titles and captions to enhance understanding. Finally, we encourage you to share this video with your friends and family who may also benefit from these tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial advice. And you can find additional resources and tools in the links below. So if you're ready to save below 30, let's dive in.